This is TV Platinum. Here are the top 5 stories making the headlines.
President Bola Tinubu on Thursday hosted a delegation from the European Union in Abuja. During the meeting, he called for the enhancement of a comprehensive partnership between Nigeria and the EU, underpinned by the core principles of democracy, the rule of law, and freedom. Leading the delegation was Ms. Jutta Yopilen, the EU Commissioner responsible for international partnerships. President Tinubu expressed his appreciation for the recent signing of 8 financing agreements between Nigeria and the EU under the EU Global Gateway in Nigeria. Senator Ali Ndume, the Chief Whip of the Senate, has provided an explanation for his departure from the Senate session led by Senate President Godswill Akpabio on Tuesday. During the plenary session, Ndume raised concerns that he believed amounted to violations of Senate protocols. Utilizing a point of order, he attempted to draw the Senate President's attention to what he saw as a procedural infringement occurring in the chamber. However, Akpabio interrupted Ndume's speech, deviating from established parliamentary procedures, leading to Ndume's exit from the chamber. The Acting Inspector General of Police, Olukayode Egbedokun, has authorized the deployment of dedicated police public relations officers, PPROs, to various commands and formations within the Nigeria Police Force. This decision, announced by the force headquarters on Thursday night, is aimed at improving communication, transparency, and community engagement in the designated areas of responsibility. Among the newly appointed PPROs are DSP Chukwu Kadibia or Mojola, assigned to the PPRO Rail Command, ASP Mansur Hassanato, designated as PPRO for Kaduna State Command, ASP Nahum Kenneth, serving as PPRO for Borno State Command, and ASP Mayegun Oluwakemi, who will assume the role of PPRO at the Force Criminal Investigations Annex in Alagbon, Lagos. The Supreme Court is set to begin deliberations on Monday, October 23, 2023, regarding the appeal filed by the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Atiku Abubakar. In an announcement made by the Supreme Court Registrar Zainab Garba on Thursday, it was confirmed that Atiku's appeal has been scheduled for a hearing on Monday. Atiku, who secured the second position in the election, had previously brought his case to the Presidential Election Tribunal with the aim of invalidating the results of the February 25th election. The Nigerian Army and its Turkish counterparts have reaffirmed their commitment to enhancing bilateral relations through their respective defense industrial corporations in a collective effort to combat terrorism. This development was disclosed on Thursday, October 19, 2023, during a courtesy visit by the Turkish ambassador to Nigeria, Hediyet Barakata, to Lieutenant General Taoreed Lagbaja, the Chief of Army Staff at the Army headquarters in Abuja. The ambassador emphasized that, much like Nigeria, Turkey faces security challenges, including international terrorism, and highlighted the mutual benefits of cooperation between the two nations. In response, Lieutenant General Taoreed Lagbaja, the Chief of Army Staff, expressed his appreciation for the existing strong relationship between the Nigerian Army and the Turkish defense industries, particularly in the areas of defense equipment acquisition and the evacuation of personnel for medical treatment to Turkey.
Those are the top stories. Do subscribe and follow us across all our platforms to get more of this update.